So anyway, here it is.
That's it, huh? And you're gonna get all the power washing done today.
Exactly.
Well, that's a nice, cool little thing.
It's not very heavy, so one guy can lift it. One guy can lift it around, so it's not very heavy. And that's what I like about equipment. Don't get something too heavy. Then you have to.
So you don't like stuff too heavy. Okay.
Busy place out here. Like, busy place out here.
Let's do some power washing. Well, I suspect you got to have a long enough hose. That's one of the main things. Here, you got a hose here. Is that going to be long enough?
Yeah, I've got 2 sections of hose. I brought one too.
Yeah.
So we'll have a.
Dude, I think lots of people have power washed before, or maybe they think it's really easy and there's nothing to it. Is there some tips that you might give somebody on how to run a power washer? Because you know, you don't use the tip right, you could blast more, you could do damage using a power washer, couldn't you?
Exactly, yeah. And you have different tips for different surfaces.
Oh, I see.
So we have a real fine one for blasting off heavy grime and dirt. But you got to be careful with that. It's a very intense spray. And then you have a more spread out, even spray to clean off.
Oh, okay.
Which I'll probably use on this. So different tips for different areas on to clean off. So you've got different things. So you just hook up the whichever one you are going to use. Got a little dirty. So we just hook up everything first.
Simple enough.
Yeah. And yeah, see, some of this building is wood, the top is metal.
So this is T111 siding.
I believe it is.
Yep, it is. Do you have to get up there and power wash the overhang too?
Yeah.
The brown roof area up there? Okay.
Indeed. Yep. So, give you a go.
Hey. There. Hey, he got my name right.
There you go. You're the one that knows. Anyway, this ladder back here.
See all the cobwebs up there, and just, as he said, dirt and grime and all that. And I would say the key to it all is have a sturdy ladder, huh?
Exactly.
I noticed you got a nice fiberglass heavy-duty ladder.
That's right. You got to have good solid ladder and be safe on, because pressure washing, there's a lot of power on the pressure washer, so you got to make sure you're stable on the ladder when you're going up on the ladder using the washer, because that's a lot of pressure and could the percussion could knock you off a ladder. So
that's the point. Not one of those thin little wood ladders or an aluminum type ladder. Yeah. If you're going to invest in a ladder, you know, get a fiberglass heavy duty ladder. Okay, that's going to last you. Now, usually at the store you can find those orange, they're yellow or blue, you know, something like that. This one looks like an 8-foot ladder. Most homeowners have like a 6-foot ladder. But if you got certain areas that you're going to use a lot, you got someplace to store it, you might want to get an 8-foot ladder. You know, obviously it's awkward to use inside a house for smaller ceilings and that kind of stuff, but you know, he's got the 8-foot ladder. He uses this all the time, obviously because he's a painter. You know, he's got a 6-foot and an 8-foot, but man, that's the way to go. The heavy duty fiberglass ladders. Hey, as much as I'd like to stay here for the rest of the day and watch my friend, I'm not going to make any money that way, am I? Well, he can do this on his own anyways. I'm off now. Where am I going now? I'm not done with the day. I'm gonna be busy making more videos for you. I'm off to my aunt's house again. She's got more electrical issues that she wants me to take care of. She kind of reviewed that with me over the phone last night. Now I've got to get back over there and kind of do some probing, pull some stuff out of the walls, kind of see where the wires are going, see how I'm going to relocate some switches for garbage disposal and a power outlet for what is it, an alarm system she has. And there's some Formica on the wall. Oh, you know, if you want to watch that series, check it out, because I'm going to put that up on my YouTube channel as well. Why am I doing this? All for you. One more thing. Now, granted, you might not have to do anything with your garbage disposal switch. We're going to relocate it, and I'm going to do some probing around and figure out where I'm going to do it, how I'm going to get the wires over there, and that kind of thing. You may think, oh, that has nothing to do with me. I'm not going to be relocating my switch for the garbage disposal. But you know what? You may still get some tips and techniques on how to do certain things, and it might be able to be used to apply it to something else that you're getting ready to work on, or something that you never knew about. So sometimes it might not have something to do with exactly what you need to do, but you can still learn from my videos, okay? That's the goal. I always look at something and how is that gonna work, and how is that gonna affect something that I may encounter later on. Always learning, baby, always learning.